How to remove powered by Shopify link. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up any browser you have and then navigate to your Shopify admin page. Once you do that, click on the three lines at the top right of the screen, the top left of the screen, and from the sales channel section, click on your store. Let me show you what this powered by Shopify link is. It's basically a link that shows at the bottom of your store right here. As you can see, copyright 2022, my store powered by Shopify. And it's basically just some like advertising. When people click on it, it will redirect them to the Shopify so they can get started with Shopify and stuff like that. So it's basically advertising. So what you need to do in order to hide that or delete it, from the online store, click on themes, and then scroll down to the current theme section, and from the actions drop down, click on edit languages. Using the search bar, search for powered by powered come on powered by and scroll down to links. As you can see, links, it says powered by Shopify. So click on the text field, and here you can use an easy trick, which is just to leave blank space, and this will actually replace that text. Meaning once you do that, click on the save button at the top right of the screen, and that text will disappear and be replaced by nothing. It will be hidden because you entered a blank space. So that was it for this video. That you can hide and remove or delete the powered by Shopify link at the bottom of your store or your footer. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.